The J-20 stealth fighter jet, China's finest fighter, is on display in the field for the first time. The J-20, painted in silver gray of the People's Liberation Army Air Force, landed at the venue of the 14th China International Aviation and Space Exhibition in Zhuhai of Guangdong Province on Saturday afternoon and later joined other types of fighter aircraft that had arrived earlier. The exhibition, the country's largest arms show, is scheduled to take place in Zhuhai from Tuesday to Sunday. It is more commonly called the Zhuhai Air Show. This is the first time that J-20, one of the world's most advanced fighter jets, has made a public appearance on the ground. The stealth aircraft have performed several flight shows at Zhuhai air shows before and have flown in military parades, but have never been close to the public due to confidentiality considerations. As China's first stealth fighter, the J-20 was designed and manufactured by the Aviation Industry Corp of China and is widely regarded as one of the finest fighter jets ever built in modern history. The aircraft made its maiden flight in January 2011 and was officially declassified in November 2016 when it made a short flight show at the 11th Zhuhai Air Show. It was commissioned into the PLA Air Force later that year, becoming the world's third stealth fighter jet to enter service after the US F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Military analysts say the plane has allowed the PLA Air Force to attack other top fighter jets and has substantially increased its operational capabilities.
4级编队亮相，同时在空中打开了弹仓，向我们展示了它作为第5代隐身战机强大的能力。